Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that crude after making a low negative in the pandemic, we have seen it has tried to move upside and it was moving in this particular zone for quite some time. After this zone break upside, we have seen it made high for the second time. Again we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, then whenever it goes high and break its previous high, we have seen it went at the sharp fall. Okay, as this is repeated for the 5 time continuously and it has tried to move for the 6th time, but we have seen a strong resistance coming at around $124, and from there we have seen it went and made a low of around $76.30. Okay, after that what we have seen, it made a swing at this particular level and it is moving slowly upside but in a ascending order. But if you look at this particular trend since week 2 week, we have seen it is trying to go further down. Okay, before I explain you the crude can move in the next week, how it will move, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $85.58, and you have to understand $85.58 is a strong resistance as of now because the price has moved below this particular level. Okay, so once the price move above this particular level and sustain, so chances will be very high that we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $86.58. Okay, and if the price move up that level, then its chances of going further upside will be there and it can move further above a level of 89.89, which is already a weak resistance. So chances will be high that we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $95.77, and if that level sustain, then high chances of going towards a level of $97.97. Okay, and once the price move above that level, then chances are very high that we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 98.71, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $102.01. Okay, and once the price move up that level, then we can see it can cross further high and can touch a level of around $108.99, and from there we can see it can move further upside because chances are very high because all these resistance are weak resistance, so chances will be high that you can see it can move further upside. Overall, if you look at this trend, we can see a U pattern is forming. Okay, a U pattern is forming, and once if it start moving upside, then we can see a cup pattern in form and a probability of moving further upside is on a higher side. Okay, but as you know that few of the data is coming. Okay, as I have given you that there's few data economic events are coming. These are the economic events, so there where we can see a quite good volatility. Okay, but you have to understand volatility. You have what you can do at this particular moment, you can reduce the size and you can increase your SL. If you are trading or even investing, you should know that when the event occurring, so how much it is affecting the price of commodities, even forex. See, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can move further down and a probability of touching 82.18 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $81.18. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of around $78.14, and from there we can see it can move further down and can touch a level of strong support of $76.67. Okay, and suppose if the price move below that particular level, then we can see it goes below a level of $76.24, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 75.42 to a level of 73.17. Okay, and if the price move below that particular level, then chances are high we can see it can go towards a level of $67.92 to a level of 66.42, and once the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $62.47, and if the price move below that level, then chances are high we can see it can move further down and a probability of touching to a level of 60 will be there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 55.54 also, and then further down with the price move below that particular level. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel please subscribe it. Thank you.